By daylight, Istanbul's Gezi Park was again the picture of serenity. Children playing, mothers and their babies relaxing, and people reading leisurely on park benches. But on Monday night, police had to disperse thousands of anti-government demonstrators with tear gas, rubber bullets, and water cannons. The show of force came only hours after the government had reopened the park with great fanfare, only to close it again, and then reopen it once more on July 9th. Neither the confusion nor the protest are likely to subside soon.
As residents, we come here with our families and children for some fresh air. I usually come here with my grandchildren. We spend some time here and leave. We couldn't understand why they keep opening and closing the park like a water tap. It makes no sense.
The park at Taksim Square has been the focal point of protests since May 27. 4 people have been killed, they are now considered martyrs, and more than 7,500 people have been injured in the police crackdown against critics of Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The protests were inspired by government plans to redevelop the park, but they also reflect wider discontent with Erdogan, who is under fire for increasing authoritarianism and recent anti-Semitic remarks by members of his government. Istanbul Governor Hüseyin Avni Mutlu has warned that he will not allow the park to become a focal point for demonstrations, a hardline stance that may end up reinvigorating the protests that had been waning before the most recent clashes.